I got some tilapia. You have the worst aim I've ever. There you go. Got that. Ah! It's right there. It's on the wall. There you go. Ready? Boom! Hey, Danny boy. Woo! Hey, nice. Oh my gosh, they're going crazy.
He's so cute.
Look at that face. Hi, V. She looks so big now that I've seen the kitten. This is V. This is my girlfriend's cat. She's kind of mine now at this point. V loves me. V loves me more. I promise. Let me see them green eyes. Nope. No? Okay. Maybe not. Maybe she doesn't love me. She wants to go outside. That's where she wants to go. See you later. Goodbye. What is going on, Cuffaro? Welcome back to another video here today. As you saw by the title and thumbnail, got a little kitty cat. Rescue this cat. It's a stray cat. We'll get into all that in a little bit. Before we go outside and feed the animals, crab clusters. Probably could feed the eel. I got some tilapia. Okay, I literally have one left. Oh, hey, V. Hello there. What I was saying was before we feed the animals, we got to defrost some tilapia because I want to feed the arowana. Our new albino arowana. This guy right here. He's ready to eat too, trust me. What's going on, everyone? How you guys doing? There's a little Argy down there. Some platinum red tail action. Big old red tail here. The 4,000 gallon pond. That's going to be a super cool feeding. Hello, everyone. What's going on, quackers? Oh, gosh. No, you're not. No, you're not. Ugh. The weather has been absolute garbage lately. We've been working on the fish room. Got a U-Haul, got it all. Hey, Danny boy. Woo! We're moving. Weather is just holding us back from getting the project done. As you see, it's going. That video is probably dropping next. It's probably my next video. So subscribe to the channel. I put more work into that video than I could ever even imagine. I cannot wait to drop it. I cannot wait to show the outcome of this fish room, what we have planned. Definitely the coolest freaking fish room on YouTube. That's for a fact. Subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on that video. Enough talking about that though. Goodbye, animals. Great. Gotta love when, oh my God. What is going on with my hair? Gotta love when it starts just downpouring as you go to get hay and animal food. Just great. Thank you, Florida. Appreciate it. Thank you so much. I'm becoming part of the farm. Like, this is an animal nest at some point. Birds can make a baby in here.
301, please. 311.
Scared all the chicks too, not only myself. You're gonna get me copyrighted, you know that? Oh, you are just adorable. I get more Get Bunny comments than any other animal on my entire channel. Bunnies are by far the most commented about. What is it with bunnies? Look at him, this guy's rolling around. He's sitting there picking himself and this guy's eating some hay. Oh, now he's drinking. Oh my goodness. Look at how tiny, look at how tiny. Hi, buddy. Oh my gosh, they're so small. Look at all the chicks. It's crazy. There's so many. Now there's different chicks, so each of these have like a little sticker thing. Easter egger. Look at that. Hey, bud. I love if you just listen real closely, just all the little duckies. Little tiny ducks. Hey, buddies. Oh my gosh, they're going crazy. They're pecans, but sometimes you get a random mallard or like random Muscovy, like random. So you never know what you're gonna get. These are all what looks to be at least like pecan though. So tiny. Just the littlest little things. And you got quails. $5 each for these things. Last time I was here, they actually had about, yeah, this was full of like full grown quails. So must have sold them all. But yeah, there's a lot of baby quails right here, and then chickens, ducks, quail. Whole lot of animals though, that's for sure. And then these bunnies though, oh my gosh, dude. They are the cutest things on earth. I knew there was animals here. I had that gut feeling.
Got some pig food, got waterfowl, got some goat food, got alfalfa, and a TNA.
One of my goals in life is to be able to speak Spanish. I would love to be bilingual. It would be so much fun. I can communicate with Hector, and I can communicate with all my peeps over here at the barn where I get my food. Telling you, how cool would that be? I'm sure some of you watching are bilingual. I'm jealous. Yeah, look at how green that hay is. Just, he's probably like, what the heck is this kid doing? Boom. That's a big old bale. Holy moly. Thank you, sir. Got all our food right here. We're waiting on our goat and waterfowl food. Once we get that, we're back home and I'll see you there. Woo! Oh my gosh, there's a bunch of Kevins. Kevins, where you? Do you live in? Oh my gosh. See you later. I was gonna tell you, I was gonna say there's I got a pond down there, about 14 kilometers that way, that you get free food every day, and there's a lot of friends too. If you want to come, just let me know. See you later. I almost hit those things. That's actually how I found them. Good. What about you, Bull? Great first step. The cows have eaten. Dude, y'all are neighing. Everyone is hungry. Even you, V. Speak about cats. Today's video's on cats. Kevin! Before I put the hay into the goats' enclosure, I like to just let the pigs eat some hay. Always gotta give the pigs a little snack beforehand. You wanna know an animal that eats legitimately anything you can name?
A pig.
From hay all the way to filet mignon off the dinner table.
All right, everyone eat now. Everyone eats.
Alrighty. Waterfowl to start it off. Alright, Gary, enough of your screaming. Go, get away. Oh my, Kevin, hello. There's another one. Scoop of this, go to the goats. Look at them come. Here they come. Come on, Boots. They'll figure it out eventually too, but these guys are just waiting for me now though. They're all standing at my feet. I'm coming. Scoop. Woo! Eat up, everyone. Suzanne, you're all wet. You're all what? Oh, are you spilling food too? We got Suzanne over here. We got Lady May and obviously Mango over there. Here we go. Dry land right there. Boom. Holy moly. Just realizing now how big you guys are getting. It's crazy. They were just little tiny piglets. And now they're so big. All you guys would have been digested by a human already if I didn't save you. Y'all loved yourself some ASMR of fish cutting last time, so here we go again. Is that what you do? You whisper and you move it by the mic? Now let's go feed them. All right, before I get to the pond, I gotta feed the turtles. Do your little leg thing. There you go. Come on, come on. What are you doing, dude? You have the worst aim I've ever. There you go. Got that one. Snapper, here's the snapper. Ah, it's on your head. It's on your head. Oh, okay, you got it. You still didn't get one. Ow, got my finger. All right, here's this guy again. Oh. Ah, it's right there. It's on the wall. It's on the wall. Do you see it? There you go. Good stuff. All right, they're at the bottom. Go find them. Time to feed the fish. What's up, Arowana? Let's start it off with you, big boy. Ready? Boom! Boom! Woohoo! It never gets old. Look at him. Oh, the Oscars are all fired up. He's a big eater. He loves to eat. And I love that we got that on video. It's so much fun to feed all these guys. Oh, the gar. Here comes the gar. We'll get a good one with the gar, too. Do me a favor before this gar eats this piece of fish. Hit the subscribe button. We're almost at 2 million. As a matter of fact, we're gonna hit it today. Here we go. Boom! And he missed it and the bass got it. But yeah, 2 million subscribers. Thank y'all so much. This isn't even my official thank you, but I know by the time I upload this, we're gonna be darn close, like within 1,000 away. Come on, gar, come on. This is your chance right here. Missed it again. Who's gonna get it? Bass. Boom, let's see. Boom, everyone eats. Everyone eats. Look at that red tail. Just going crazy. Ow, that was my finger. Here's another one. There you go, bud. Arowana, you better catch this. Ow, that was my hand, my guy. Catch this. Ow, that was... He got it. He got the piece. He got me pretty darn good right there. That pond never gets old to feed, man. It is so cool. Tons of fish in there, too. Well, hey, now that we've gotten to this point of the video, I gotta explain our little kitten story. Let's head on inside. Taylor! Oh, she got smacked in the face. Who is this?
No name Kitty.
No name Kitty. Should we let them comment? That'd be kind of cool.
Because I've come up with a million different names and nothing sticks.
What was the name? What was some of the names we came up with?
Well, the one that's been the best is Milo.
Milo has been like the one we've been like kind of calling it around the house, but nothing's permanent.
Bentley, Royce, Rolly.
Done a bunch of different names. We don't know what fits him the best. So drop a comment down below on the best name that you think fits this kitten. But there's a little story behind this kitten. It's just not your average kitten. That's a stray. Does not look like a stray.
Or act like
at all. Or act like it. Look at the coloring on him. He's just,
look how
he's so
and he's
cute.
like marble.
He's just a little baby. How old is he?
The vet said they think he was about 10 weeks, but he's pretty big.
He is pretty big. Anyway, yeah, we brought him to the vet. He got all his shots checked up, everything, no chips, so clearly he's not someone's cat.
He's stuck with us.
No, listen, we have a different story here. That's not true.
Somebody found him at the library down the street, all alone.
Just sitting there all alone, but he's a very curious kitten. So I feel like as if he went off and roamed alone.
Well, he like
and there was a bunch of them. You know, maybe someone dropped a litter off
Yeah.
and he just ran off and did his own thing because he likes to be like on his own doing his own thing, but also loves to snuggle.
The lady who found him, he was already super like loving and sweet, as you can see.
You are just the little cutest thing on earth. Oh my goodness, that is just insane. Taylor, that thing's a lot cuter than you. I know. So I mean, we got a kitten, but now this kitten wasn't meant for us.
So we lost our cat about 2 years ago to cancer, and my mom was like, I'm never getting another cat. And then probably about like 3 weeks ago, she texted me like, let's go looking for cats. And I found this little guy.
Without her knowing. She had no idea.
And I surprised her. And I have two giant dogs at my parents.
We have these two babies. They might look
at
big and
me.
powerful. No, they don't at all, actually. But they're just little babies. And these are also Taylor's dogs. Taylor has all the inside animals. I got all the outside animals.
Yeah, pretty much. But anyway, so I surprised her with them, except, you know, the day that I surprised my mom with them, he had also been found at the library, so he had a very eventful day. My dogs at my parents' house are very psycho. And so he was very tiny and skinny.
He was scared, and we decided we would take him here.
Fatten him up.
Fatten him up and grow him up with these two guys so he knows like dogs aren't like, you know, like crazy and harmful. And now, this has been like 2 weeks and he's pretty much sleeping with the dogs already. We got a couple cute videos of little buddy here we don't have a name for. Drop a comment. So I'm gonna roll those right now. So this cat is ours for the next couple of weeks. And then we're gonna give him another attempt with her parents, but if that doesn't go well, then I mean...
If not, he's staying with us. Yes, he is.
maybe we'll have to let the Cuffaros vote on that.
Even V likes him.
Anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. We are at 2 million. If not, we hit it already. Thank you so much for 2 million, or at least close. We'll get the initial reaction when I actually do hit 2 million, and that'll be in an upcoming video. Look at V right now, just sitting under a table. She's just looking at the farm.
She lives inside. We keep this little bell on him so we know where he is around the house.
Because he just runs around.
Pattern.
I know, that just doesn't look like a stray. There's no way. So yeah, we got a kitten.
He's so cute.
Look at that face. He's so cute. From Unnamed here, Taylor, and myself, we'll see you in the next one.
Peace out.
Close it off. Pigs are having you know what over there. We might have some pig babies soon.
Put him in the basket.
He's in the basket. He's in the basket. Oh my gosh. We'll see you in the next one.